Are you ready to unlock the door to your first home or embark on your profitable real estate investment journey? Purchasing your first home or diving into real estate investment can be daunting, but with the right strategies and insights, navigating the real estate market becomes an exhilarating and fulfilling experience. Welcome everyone to our guide on navigating the real estate market, tips for first-time home buyers and investors. Before we begin, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Organize your finances. Initiating the home buying expedition commences with a thorough financial assessment. Understanding your credit score, income, and expenses lays the groundwork. A higher credit score unlocks doors to favorable mortgage terms, making it crucial to rectify any errors in your credit report. Equally important is gaining clarity on available funds for down payments and monthly mortgage commitments. It's crucial to craft a budget and adhere to it religiously. It is the cornerstone of your real estate endeavor and ensures you begin on a solid foundation. Secure mortgage pre-approval. Securing a mortgage pre-approval stands as a pivotal checkpoint in the home buying journey. This formal acknowledgement from a lender demonstrates your serious intent and financial readiness. It not only aids in the negotiations, but also delineates your affordable budget, enabling focus on properties within your financial grasp. Define your requirements. Before you go hunting for the house, list your essential needs and desirable features. Compile a checklist outlining the indispensable features your ideal home should have, like a specific number of bedrooms and bathrooms. In addition, note any feature or amenity you would like to have, such as a spacious backyard or a dedicated home office. Aligning your needs with budget constraints paves the way for finding a home that not only caters to essentials, but resonates with your vision of an ideal dwelling and instructs your search. Extensive market research. Thorough market research forms the backbone of informed decision-making. Familiarizing yourself with the neighborhoods, schools, shopping centers, amenities, and local nuances provides valuable insights. You can also look at online sources, talk with local real estate agents, or explore the area firsthand by taking a drive around the neighborhoods. This comprehensive approach will empower you to make a well-informed home purchase. Collaborate with a real estate professional. Partnering with a seasoned real estate agent is immensely advantageous for first-time home buyers and investors. Their expertise in the local market aid in locating properties aligning with your requirements and budget. Additionally, they serve as trusted advisors, offering guidance throughout the intricate buying process, from exploration to finalizing the deal. Act decisively. In a competitive real estate landscape, prompt action is key. Being prepared to act swiftly upon discovering a suitable property prevents missed opportunities. Promptness in decision-making, backed by financial readiness, enhances the likelihood of securing your dream home in a competitive market. Be ready to compromise. When it comes to home buying, the willingness to compromise is a virtue. Understand that finding a home with every desirable feature might not be feasible, so striking a balance between your requirements, desires, and budget is vital. Don't pursue the perfect home at the expense of what is suitable, as this often leads to missed opportunities. Prepare for closing costs. Anticipating and budgeting for closing costs is a must. These additional expenses, like appraisal fees, title fees, and closing fees, are part and parcel of the home buying process. As a first-time home buyer or investor, you should seek a detailed breakdown from your lender or real estate agent. This aids your financial planning and helps ensure a smooth transition to home ownership. Consider renovation projects. For budget-conscious buyers and investors, exploring fixer-upper properties presents an opportunity. While they may be priced attractively, these homes require extensive repairs and renovations. Carefully calculating renovation costs beforehand is crucial to avoid unexpected financial strains. Fixer-uppers are not suited for most buyers, and you should only consider this option after very careful research and planning. Seek guidance when necessary. For first-time home buyers and investors, Navigating the complexities of home buying warrants seeking assistance when necessary, whether from friends, family, or professionals like real estate agents or financial advisors. Seeking guidance provides valuable insights and guidance along the way. Embracing support doesn't diminish your independence, it enhances informed decision-making. Buying real estate is a significant financial decision for first-time home buyers and investors. To navigate this process smoothly, organize your finances, research the market, collaborate with a real estate agent, and be ready to act swiftly. Patience is key. Be open to compromise, and don't hesitate to seek assistance when required. With proper preparation, turning your home ownership or real estate dream into reality is very achievable. Remember, your dream home or investment property is closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Happy house hunting.